I'm Rod Imhoff. I'm the key account manager here at Chicago Pneumatic, and I'm here today to talk to you at TMC in New Orleans, Louisiana about the brand new eBlueTork, the CP8609, and the features and benefits of this tool and how it can be productive for you in your maintenance shop. So the tool itself is a smart tool and is connected to an app through your phone or your tablet. That allows the tool to be connected with the app and controlled by the app. You can control with presets, you can look at how many tightenings you have, you can look at untightenings, you can see how many times the tool has been dropped. You can actually see all the different operating time and features of the actual tool in the app, along with a lot of other features. Like I said, with presets, how many to secure it, define the tool. You can do a lot of different things because of the smart technology. Now the tool itself is a final torquing tool used for torquing those wheel lug nuts or U-bolts or a lot of different things, maybe some engine mounts, whatever you're looking to do with the tool. The tool itself has 2 batteries. Each battery is going to last about 500 cycles. That's going to give you complete mobility. And the tool itself is very light. It's very comfortable in the hand of the user. It's a very quiet tool, not very loud at all. It's very low vibration. But the tool itself, being a torque tool, is going to use that reaction bar. The reaction bar is going to push against the adjacent stud and nut on either end, whether you're braking torque or setting torque. So what you want to do is set the line up for where you want to be, set the preset for what you're looking for. In this case, we're doing 500 foot-pounds. The tool also has the ability to actually count the wheel lug nuts too. So if you have a count pattern of 10, so as you're doing your star pattern and you're jumping around the tire, it allows you to ensure you're getting them all, because I'll show you what happens. You go ahead and go to torque your first nut, push the button, and it's just that quick. And I'm gonna keep squeezing the buttons. I didn't have to let go. The tool shuts itself off, sets the mark, lights up green on the backside, tells you the torque it did. We had it set for 500, it's now saying 501. It backs off the reaction arm and allows you to not be so wedged in there. And then you jump across and you go to your next nut in your star pattern. Once again, lights up green, 501, backs up the reaction arm again. Now, when it's doing that sequencing event where it's counting the nuts, in the event that it does hit a nut that you've already torqued, what happens? It lights up red. It's going to say rehit detected. It's going to tell you that the nut itself has already been torqued. That way it's actually only counting the nuts that you are torquing, and it's registering all of that information in your app so that you have total control of what's happening with the tool. The tool itself, like I said, is great for mobility. Think about the ability of walking out in the yard. No hoses to drag, no air lines, no compressor, none of that is needed. And all you're doing is doing your final torque with this tool itself. This is the CP8609 eBlueTork. It's going to give you the right torque for the safe haul.